One of the most common tools, and it's been around for quite a while, is Server Manager. This was available in Server 2012, and it has not changed much since Server 2012. What Server Manager allows administrators to do is manage local servers and remote servers. You can also configure local server settings, things like renaming the computer. You could set your IP configuration, manage Windows updates. So a lot of the basic things you would do for any machine, you can configure through Server Manager. You can also query event logs. You can monitor your services. You can even stop services directly from Server Manager. You can also use these best practice analyzers. Now, they're usually called BPAs. What they will do for you is let you know if you have things configured correctly. So if you've installed some role or feature in server and you're not sure if you set it up correctly, you can run the best practice analyzer and it'll just give you recommendations. So if you fail to do something, it'll give you a warning message saying you should configure this additional setting. Very useful. You can also check performance monitors directly from Server Manager. Now, Server Manager, by default, it always opens when you log into your server unless you actually tell it not to load on startup. But that's the screen that you'll see, and you may spend most of your time in Server Manager because most of the things you do on server, it's going to have links to those things in Server Manager, including the ability to add roles and features. We said you could manage remote servers. The servers you want to manage remotely, you can add those servers under your Server Manager so they're always present. You could even group servers together. Let's say you have a branch office in Vancouver. You could add all the servers in your Vancouver office under a server group. Now, all that does is organize this for you. So you could go to your Vancouver group and you're going to just see a list of all the servers and you can click on whichever one you want to manage. New to Server Manager is the ability to connect this to cloud services. So this can connect to Azure, and you can even view and have some limited access to resources in the Azure cloud. But a very useful tool overall.